What if you could effortlessly track every dollar, categorize every expense, and finally achieve your financial goals without feeling overwhelmed? For many, the dream of financial clarity remains just that, a dream. In a world brimming with budgeting apps, two names frequently pop up in the conversation: Pocketguard and Rocket Money. Both promise to revolutionize your financial life, but the burning question remains: which one is truly better for you? You're probably here because you've dabbled in budgeting before, perhaps with a spreadsheet that quickly became a forgotten relic, or maybe a complicated app that left you more confused than enlightened. The reality is, managing money can be a daunting task. From remembering subscriptions you barely use to pinpointing where your money actually goes, it's easy to feel like you're constantly playing catch-up. That's where budgeting apps step in, designed to simplify the complex and bring order to your financial chaos. Today, we're diving deep into Pocketguard and Rocket Money to help you decide which one will be your ultimate financial wingman. Let's start with Pocketguard. True to its name, Pocketguard is all about showing you exactly how much money you have left to spend after accounting for bills, savings, and essentials. Its standout feature is the In My Pocket figure, which provides a real-time, digestible sum of your disposable income. This immediate clarity is incredibly powerful, especially if you struggle with overspending. Pocketguard automatically categorizes your transactions, though you can adjust them, and helps you identify areas where you might be spending too much. It also includes features like subscription tracking, debt payoff planning, and even helps negotiate some bills. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it relatively easy for beginners to get started. However, some users find its customization options a bit limited, and the free version, while functional, doesn't unlock the full suite of features like unlimited categories or personalized debt payoff plans. Now, let's shift our focus to Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill. Rocket Money is renowned for its aggressive approach to identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions. It's almost legendary in its ability to unearth recurring charges you've forgotten about, saving users potentially hundreds of dollars. Beyond subscription management, Rocket Money offers comprehensive budgeting tools, bill negotiation services, credit score tracking, and even provides insights into your net worth. Its automated savings feature can help you painlessly stash away money, and its robust reporting gives you a detailed overview of your spending habits. Rocket Money's interface is also user-friendly, and its ability to connect to a wide array of financial institutions makes it highly versatile. The downside? While it offers a free version, many of its most powerful features, particularly the bill negotiation and some advanced budgeting tools, are locked behind a premium subscription. Some users have also noted that its categorization can sometimes be less precise than Pocketguard's. So, who wins in the showdown? It largely depends on your primary financial pain point. If your biggest challenge is simply knowing how much money you truly have available to spend and preventing impulse purchases, Pocketguard's In My Pocket feature is a game changer. It provides immediate, actionable insight into your daily spending limits. However, if you're drowning in forgotten subscriptions, want an aggressive advocate for lowering your bills, and desire a more comprehensive suite of financial management tools, Rocket Money truly shines. Its ability to save you money on recurring charges can often offset the cost of its premium subscription. Ultimately, both apps aim to empower you with financial knowledge and control. Pocketguard excels at providing a quick, easy-to-understand snapshot of your spendable cash, making it ideal for those who need a firm hand in curbing overspending. Rocket Money, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for uncovering hidden expenses and actively helping you save money through negotiation and smart automation. Consider what frustrates you most about your current financial situation. Is it the mystery of where your money goes, or the slow drain of forgotten subscriptions? Your answer will likely point you towards your ideal financial companion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.